Go in shopping. Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Do these pants come in black?
Yes, but we're sold out. They're so popular. We can't keep them in stock.
Do you have any white pants on sale?
Yes, these are marked down from $60 to $24.
That's a good buy, but I'm not crazy about the fabric.
What about these pants? These are on sale for $49.
That's a little pricey, but I'll try them on.
How are the pants?
A little snug.
That style does run small. Let me bring you the next size up.
These pants are a little big, aren't they?
No, they fit nicely.
They're baggy in the back, don't you think?
No, they're perfect. Take my word for it.
I'm just not sure. I think I'd better hold off for now.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Talking about languages. Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Does your friend speak English?
Yes, he speaks English perfectly.
What's his native language?
I don't know what his native language is.
How many languages do you speak?
My friend reads and writes several languages.
How well do you know French?
He speaks French with an American accent. My parents speak English fluently. Sometimes I make mistakes when I speak English. I have a lot of trouble with pronunciation.
Do you speak Japanese?
Yes, I do. I speak a little Japanese.
How well do you know French?
Pretty well, but I have a lot of trouble with spelling.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
What languages do you speak?
I speak French, Greek, Japanese, and English.
Do you read and write those languages?
Yes, I do, but sometimes I make mistakes in spelling.
What's your friend's native language?
His native language is Greek.
Does he speak English too?
Oh yes, he speaks English fluently.
Do you make mistakes when you speak English?
Yes, very often I make mistakes in grammar.
Daily routine. What time do you get up every day?
I usually wake up early. I get up at 5 o'clock every day. My brother gets up later than I do. After I get dressed, I have breakfast. Usually, I have a big breakfast. I have toast and coffee for breakfast.
What time do you leave your house every morning?
I leave the house at 7 o'clock each day.
What time do you get to work each day?
I get to work at 8 o'clock every morning.
What time do you have lunch each day?
I go out for lunch at about 12:30.
What time do you finish working every day?
I finish working at about 5:45 p.m.
What time do you have dinner at your house?
I eat dinner at about 7 o'clock.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I read the newspaper for a while.
What time do you go to bed each night?
I usually go to bed at about midnight.
Do you get up at about 7 o'clock every morning?
No, some days I get up later.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I get dressed.
Do you have coffee for breakfast?
Some days I have dry toast, and some days I have coffee.
What do you do after dinner each evening?
Usually after dinner I listen to the radio for a while.
Do you have breakfast with your brother?
Once in a while, but usually I don't have breakfast at home.
Where do you usually have breakfast?
I have a light breakfast in a restaurant near my office.
What do you do after you finish listening to music?
I usually go to bed.
What time did you get up yesterday morning?
I woke up early and got up at 5 o'clock.
Did you work all day?
Yes, I worked from early morning until late at night.
Did you go to sleep immediately last night?
Yes, I went to sleep immediately and slept soundly at night.
Did you go out for lunch yesterday?
Yes, I did. I went out for lunch at about 12:30.
What did you do after dinner last night?
After dinner last night, I made some telephone calls.
How often do you come to class a day?
I come to class twice a day. One time is in the morning. Another time is in the evening. In the morning, I come to class to study basic English. In the evening, I come to class to study intermediate English.
Weather. How is the weather today?
The weather is very hot today. I don't like hot weather. In summer, the weather is terribly hot. If the weather is hot, I don't want to go anywhere and I don't want to do anything. I just want to stay at home.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.